Yeah, they sort of want to be involved with this event and events like it because our why is about giving back to our community. Our communities are our staff, our suppliers, our customers, and the broader community in general. We've done very well through those communities supporting us. We believe we can give back and take a lead in giving back to the community by participating in events like Inside Advanced Manufacturing. So Industry 4.0, many definitions I suppose, but it's using digital technology to improve and make more efficient the manufacturing process. We were presenting how we could monitor machine performance and look at that almost in a big data sense. How are we going to see the machine how it's performing with different materials, part types, to work out the best way to get the most out of the asset? Because if the laser beam's not cutting, the customers aren't getting parts. Yeah, I think it's exciting times for manufacturing, and certainly I think it's come back from what it was. One particular advice may be not for everybody, but I suppose one key thing is to always be open to asking a question about how we can do better. I think that can apply to everybody. How can we do better? How can we do better farming? How can we do better manufacturing of farming equipment? How can this be better tomorrow? I think that's the most important thing for manufacturers to do. And this event helped that because people were thinking, I believe, taking back to their own factories some ideas about what they could do better in their own factory.